Hi, my name is Jane, and just to remind you, I'm a crochet addict. I'm going to talk to you today about how to make some mittens which can be used as wrist warmers as well if you make the ribbing a bit longer. These are the mittens that I am going to talk to you about. They're made in a lovely colourful yarn. I was going to say fabric then, but it's a yarn by King Cole. They're chunky and the colour is denim, and they fit snug for me as 7 inches round, but you can make them wider or narrower as you wish. Now the thing about these mittens is they're worked in a row,